To analyze financial statements of any project, we will be using Token Terminal. Let me take you through it step by step. Once you're on tokenterminal.com, on the left hand side, you can see a search option. Let's take Ethereum as an example for now. Once you click on Ethereum, you will be able to see all the key metrics. Market cap is something that you already know. I won't cover it again. Token holders, how many people own Ethereum? 220 million. That's great. Was the fees being generated in the last 30 days? The revenue being generated in the last 30 days? Expenses for the last 30 days. Now you can see the expenses are more than the revenue, which is not a great sign. You could also see earnings in the last 30 days as well as PF ratio. You could see PS ratio as well and a lot of other metrics. Once you click on the financial statement, you could see the complete financial history of Ethereum from October 2024 all the way to July 2021. The financial statement is very similar to what you see in the equity market. We have income statement, market data, valuation multiples, and alternative KPIs. I'm pretty sure you can draw parallels with the equity market once you take a look through this financial statement. After you go through the financial statement, this tool will help you build more conviction in whatever project that you're planning to invest in.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.